This is it. Okay. And here the next thing the mechanic will do. Okay, in this year, adore you know, our body in the date, now in the date 23rd. No, I mark oil type you use, you use conventional one. All right. And mileage na say boy key mamate. Okay. And there, you know, see any numbers here. The mileage, papa. All right. And you know, we are now using days instead of using the mileage, 20,000, 50,000, those kind of things. So go boy key and go home numbers one cover dam number no plus maybe 5,000. Or 4,000 or 3,000, depending on you how you love your car. And see, the answer you get will be your next oil change. But this year, a be near day, no, numbers be near him day. And you know, if we earn how many?
Oh, just like 2 months.
Okay, into one 2 months. Into next 2 months, in the February, in the January, so somewhere March. Next oil change, obviously. Just that. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, maybe one side of the issue, yeah, for the other side of the issue. And see, this is the engine oil, conventional, in synthetic, 20W50, just normal, the list price. For I think them calling the manual, I think from synthetica ABC this type of oil. Synthetica ABC hanum day. And also sometimes this one also being a pepeninya. Okay. And this could also being an old engine. I read somewhere that maybe conventional oil is good for older engine. I also read somewhere that no, conventional oil is not good for old engines. Engineers nankasa mean don't know who to trust. But now never stick to your car manual. But in the modern cars, they like synthetic oil, or synthetic, full synthetic. And this why full synthetic. You have synthetic oil and carbon this 20 will reduce. Maybe a 5, maybe a 10. Now it is on high. Maybe a 5W20, 5W30, 10W30, 10W40. Maybe them. General maintenance we talk more. Okay. And this is or the new oil filter now. Into the car number and then we answer maybe we engine oil nankasa or the boom now a dipper. So currently this is the dipstick. Fuck. This is the dipstick or you're empty. Into 2 lines the down one is the minimum, the top one is the maximum. So I back and then Afina the filter number share or the filter change so the cover and the and then I start with the oil negum. Full review. Okay. Right. So this engine you are seeing here is 27 years old. Yes, older than some of you. Yeah. 93 car. Still strong. Was start and the engine one way do that. Nasu be leakage be near say. The engine, yeah, very, very healthy. So that means if I couldn't find oil changing that would like off a car here. It's also show car here, but more good. You know money W. So W year 2002. So W quite crap. So you can imagine. And 93 up to 27, 28 years or 26 years, older than some of you. But still, the engine is so strong. One way to that, one is the engine that. Just that. The kind of parts and example is even older than some people. Right. In the oxygen sense. Oxygen sensor. The man is also full consumption oxygen sensor. You more young than one. And they say it's not to each and it's not pick up with each. Let's pick up no speed and then from a rush winning PD. And see them are the only car no speed and from an fahadi who no about. And regulating from And I will say it's a pick up nature and not nature and from another, but then you have a way of regulating the air. Na train the one you want. Amount of air na breathe in the man. And the make you mean the man is so. And this the man is say a perfide and from why they get free or be air but the man into affect for consumption. Oxygen sensor. In some modern cars, the man is say check light bottom also. Check light bottom also. Oxygen sensor. And you see air mass. In Sukwahari, you are in big trouble. Air mass sensor. So this they go together. And I feel now they some other robot or the not robot. So we are seeing fresh oil or the. This is a full review. Inje bin too. Full review. Philly inje bin too. It is okay. It's a shame it's not for sale. Full review, 20-minute video. Full review. Oil change. Cancerod Total. Come and see him. It's called FO in action. Cancerod Total. Total filling station. Come there. Cancerod Total filling station. Come there. Come and see FO. The man in action. Yes. This is he. FO Shenene Minso. Alright. The currently new oil no sister total mo ayen ya. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's see so. Okay, into where and to see how fresh the oil is. Now, wait. They are and today no be able use natural water oil black, so on and so forth. This is it. Until you have 4 liters, until can also exactly 4 liters. Until we are not deep there, everything is true. Okay, until you're deeper here. Waba deep no one there, waba gate.
Okay, I about it.
Oh yeah.
We start with me.
Okay, alright.
We start.
So can if you be no do.
For 10:33:01, and last night when you're listening to the show, it is
So almost first class street wahade. Birthday pack. So birthday now here all your now set like exactly on the maximum. If not so, we chop it up. Oh yeah. So that means what exactly on the max.